Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, November 17th. Yesterday, we talked about the need to apologize and witness the harm another feels because of us, even if we don't believe that what we did should have hurt. Today, let's look at yet another scenario that may be questionable for seeking forgiveness. What if the victim does not know you have harmed them? Do we need to admit our wrong and apologize in that case too? Well, you know your past. Only you know the secrets, the guilt, and the shame you carry. And if you don't face up to your past, it will haunt you. If you cannot admit your mistakes or crimes, the guilt or shame is going to rear its ugly head in some destructive way or another. These things have a way of popping up, and often in ways that we cannot control. We all lose a part of our humanity, of our divinity, when we hurt another human being. And that loss is a very heavy burden to carry. Whether the person you have harmed knows it or not, you know it. And that is enough to seek the path of forgiveness to make it right. However, sometimes the path to making it right may or may not include telling your story to the person you have injured. Because sometimes revealing an unknown betrayal may actually cause a deeper injury to the victim than the person's ignorance of your deed. If that's the case, then you can still seek forgiveness by telling your story to a trusted counselor or trusted companion. So today, we will continue with the practice of box of forgiveness. And if you have any scenarios, any situations in your life like this, when the person you have harmed doesn't really know you have harmed them, maybe use this practice to tell the story. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath. Just notice how your natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to it. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now step into your safe space by bringing to mind a place where you feel at home, free. This place can be real or imaginary. Just see it fully, inhabit it. Are you indoors or outdoors? Is the place large or small? What does it smell like? What does the air feel like on your skin? What sounds do you hear? Now someone is calling for you. They speak in a voice filled with warmth, love, and delight. When you're ready, welcome this person into your safe space and notice that their presence actually increases your sense of safety and assurance. Who is your companion today? Is it always the same person? Or, depending on what you are trying to share, is it a different person? One thing is sure, this someone is accepting, affirming, and utterly trustworthy. You feel at home with them. Between you and your companion sits an open box. It is small and light enough for you to lift and hold. So do that now and notice the box's size, shape, and texture. What's unique about this box? Now start telling your companion the story of what you have done. Tell them the truth about the harm you have caused in as much detail as you can. And as you speak, see that the guilt and shame are pouring out of you and like a stream going into the open box. Speak until you're done. I'll give you about a minute for that. Now tell your companion that you are sorry for what you have done and ask for forgiveness. As you do this, notice that your companion smiles at you. They know that you're whole and worthy of love no matter what you have done. Everybody deserves forgiveness. Now gently close the box and hand it over to your trusted companion. When you are ready, you may leave your place of safety. And as always, place your hands on your heart, thanking yourself for the deep, powerful work you're doing here. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of your practice, and as always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect on this topic a bit more. Do you have any situations in your past where you have caused harm to another person without them knowing? Do you think it would be best for you to come clean, admitting the wrongdoing directly to them? Or would that actually do more harm than good? And it's better to confide in a trusted companion instead. If you keep a forgiveness journal, perhaps it would be nice to journal around that. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.